She pulls me back into reality, to the wake of warm summer
Anybody can tell a
breezes
story,
and war would destroy
but it
peacefully.
takes a special kind of person to be able to write it down so that everybody can understand it. I write for myself so that I'm not afraid or angry, because the world makes me frightened and furious. But I also write for others to let them know that I understand that somebody else is out there who understands how frustrating it can be to watch the news and want so desperately to change something, but to feel so powerless, like you can't. And writing for me is me doing something about it. I have never been in an environment where my writing is more encouraged and more stimulated than I have at Interlochen. It's an amazing community with just wonderful people, and everyone wants you to succeed. It's a wonderful place to be for creative people. I love it. For me, writing feels like a release. It feels like everything that's bottled up and coiled up inside of me and rushing through my veins and giving me headaches and moving my brain and rattling my bones. It feels like all of that is taken and it comes out through my hands. All of the fear and the regret and the anger and the remorse that I feel in me and that I externalize gets to be put somewhere. And to be able to see my own expression and to hear somebody say, "Oh, I completely agree," or "Wow, this really resonates with me," that is unlike any other feeling.